Idea of the kind of cognitive abilities that our early ancestors might have had.
Just how smart are these crows? In an experiment that has never been tried before, this crow will be challenged to push its abilities to the next level.
And we're looking to see if the crow can act out a three-step plan, think like 3 chess moves into the future, and pull up the string to get the short tool, take the short tool to get the long tool, and then take the long tool to get the food. This should be I'm really fascinated by this. I really want to see if they're able to do it, because I hope they can, but it may just be too long a distance between their first action with the string and the time they're getting the food, so they're going to kind of forget what they're doing once they're up and string pulling. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how this is going to go.
This is the first time this experiment has ever been attempted, and our cameras are there to record what happens.
The crows have done amazingly well and really surprisingly well. We didn't expect them to be this good at these kind of problems. They've performed at the highest levels with tasks requiring technical intelligence out of pretty much any animal on the planet.
Crows are very intelligent for animals. Their brain size relative to their body size is of the same caliber as many primates. So it really is appropriate to think of these animals as feathered apes,